Hi guys, this is a little bit of a different type of video. That's because we need your help. We at wod-science are interested in the interference effect. We just did a big video on this, but in short, interference means that endurance affects the outcomes of strength gains. All right? And we need you to sign up for a little, let's say, experimental protocol we will do to see if you can actually reduce the effects of the interference effect. All right? So how we'll do it, we'll have two groups. Group A will do regular CrossFit training. So 4 times a week, 60 to 70 minutes, where you first do a strength part, let's say a compound lift, deadlift, squats, followed by a typical workout of the day. All right? That's Group A, normal programming. But then you also have Group B, and now it gets interesting. Group B does the exact same training, but it's separated differently, meaning the first week they will do only strength. So for example, 2 compound lifts, that's it, no workout. And then the next week, they will do only workouts. And then we want to see, obviously, who progresses the most. Before you sign up, we need a little bit of things also from you. First of all, we need your dedication, because we need the most amount at least we need a sufficient amount of training sessions logged. If you just do 1 training session, obviously we cannot use your data. So we need you to log at least 80% of all the sessions we program. You need also 6 months of, let's say, CrossFit or hybrid training experience, because we need you to understand and to know a little bit about the movements we will program. So 6 months to 1 year of hybrid training background. And that's basically it. Obviously, we will also ask a little bit of money to make sure that the dedication is there. Good. Then what you get from this, I think a very nice 8-week structured training program that you will get forever, so you can also repeat it in the future. You get the full plan via PDF and also via spreadsheets, and you get access to coaches throughout. That's interesting. So you get access to a Discord group where we will also have all the members, so we'll also have some motivation, and yeah, the coaches can obviously help you. So if you're interested in this, you would really help us. You would also help the knowledge on the sport of fitness, of CrossFit, of hybrid training. Obviously, that's, I think, a very big benefit for the community. And you can just sign up via the link in the description that is this popping up also on the screen. It would help us. I hope you consider this, and yeah, catch you in the next one. Ciao.